In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Project Zomboid with a controller. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The method that I'm gonna show you in this video will help you run your game through Steam using any controller that you have, Xbox, PlayStation, or even generic ones. All that you have to do is first open up Steam. Before I teach you the actual process, as you can see, Steam lists the game as having partial controller support. What this means is that most controller brands will be natively detected by the game and will work without any additional setup. So you might want to attempt opening up the game, connecting your controller and making sure it works. If it does, then follow the steps that I'm going to show you here. First, select Project Zomboid from your library of games. As you can notice, I don't actually own a Project Zomboid at the moment, so I'm just going to select another game. What you have to do after you click on Project Zomboid is to select the settings at the right side of the screen and then click Properties. Within the properties of the game, go into the controller settings and enable Steam Input. Steam Input is going to help you set up any brand of controller that you have to be natively detected by the game and work flawlessly. You can also click the controller general settings over here and double check to see if Steam Input is properly enabled. After you enable Steam Input for all controllers, as long as your controller is properly being detected by your computer, you can open up the game through Steam and your controller will work. You can head into the game settings for your controls and change all the keybinds as necessary. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Project Zomboid with a controller on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.